With SignageTube, you can send presentations and movies to screens. Presentations are designed in PowerPoint. You can upload your own PowerPoint presentations, or you can choose a presentation from our templates library. Go to SignageTube.com and click the Templates link. Here you see the different categories that we have. You will find food, product promotion, fashion, hotel, and so on. Click a category. At this page, you can preview the presentations as videos. Click the play icon on a video to start viewing. To download a presentation, click My Account. Then Downloads. Scroll down and you will see a list of all the categories we saw earlier. Click the category of your choice. That opens a page where you see all presentation templates of that category. Click on the presentation banner. Then click the Download button to download the PowerPoint template to your hard disk. Choose to open the presentation in PowerPoint. That's it. You can now make your changes to our template, change texts and messages, replace images with your own, etc. You are almost ready to send this presentation to your screen.